Alaskan brown bears wait for them at the waterfalls. Salmon. They have spent most of their lives in the Pacific Ocean. Now, fully grown, they're returning to the particular rivers in North America where they will now lay their eggs. Salmon have an extraordinary ability to leap up waterfalls, but even they cannot, unaided, cross the dams that we have built. Today, Pacific salmon number less than 1% of the numbers they used to, and that's causing problems for many other animals. Without these fish, the bears cannot build up the fat reserves they need to sustain themselves through their long winter hibernation. There is fierce competition for the best fishing spots.